Hello, my name is Michelle Best, and this is my case study for working in online groups. Learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to apply UDL principles to build effective online group work based on a given scenario. You'll be able to understand how to solve group work challenges, and finally, you'll complete a fill-in-the-gap activity. As we go through this presentation, keep these reflection questions in mind. Have you participated in group work in an online class before? If yes, what's one pro and one con of the experience? If no, how can online group work be an effective project management activity? Scenario: you're working on an LMS design team tasked to create a 4-unit e-learning writing course. Each unit must include text, videos, interactive activities, and an assignment. 2 team members are in Ontario, 1 member is in Vancouver, and 1 member is in Australia. There's no opportunity for team members to meet in person. All work must be completed digitally, and there is a 2-week deadline. Your goal is to complete the project on time by helping your team work together effectively in a group using online tools. This scenario is taken from the learner's perspective. Multiple means of engagement. This is the why of learning to work in online groups. The first goal is to find a way to engage with your team members by piquing their interest and providing them with various options for participation in the project. Tapping into each personal interest will result in team member buy-in and overall commitment to seeing the project successfully done. This will also foster collaboration and community intent. Begin by selecting a group manager. Oftentimes, team members will volunteer once they realize that each person will take on this role for one of the units. The manager is responsible for keeping track of all aspects of the unit from initial planning to completion, scheduling meetings and posting reminders of upcoming meeting times, distributing work between member and adhering to timelines to ensure the project is completed successfully. Team members will appreciate that equal contributions will lead to a fair, balanced, and successful final project. No one member will be burdened with an unequal amount of responsibility. Multiple means of representation. This is the what of learning to work in online groups. As your team works through each unit, there may be some minor and major hiccups that could derail the project. During these times, team members must draw on their own experiences and share alternative ways to solve problems. This is where personal background knowledge will come in useful for presenting big ideas and visualizing important concepts. Group work challenges, problems, and solutions. For each of the following problems, read over the suggested solutions. Scheduling problems, conflicts between members, varying expectations, writer's block, and breaking out of groupthink. Now see if you can come up with a few solutions of your own. Multiple means of action and expression. This is the how of learning to work in online groups. There are many ways to experience group success in online learning. Team members will come to the project with their own ideas and understanding. Let us value everyone's knowledge and begin the project by encouraging sharing, exploration, and collaboration. In this UDL principle, use of multiple media for communication is needed. Implementing the how. Consider how you would create opportunities for team members to implement action and expression in their online group work experience by answering the following questions. Your challenge. How will the team communicate? What platforms will be used? How will meetings occur? And how will conflicts be resolved? Let's see if you can fill in the gap. Thanks for participating.